In this video, I am going to showing you how to make your mobile looking from this to this. Let's get started. Hi everyone, myself Rajshekhar and you are already watching techbunny. I do tech review videos, software related videos and some DIY videos exactly like this. If you are new here, consider the subscribe button and bell icon to the side of it to get all notifications from this channel. Now let's get into the video and I will show how I do this and some tips you should take care of while applying. Before that, let's have a look at the unboxing of the skin. Actually, it is used for vehicles in indoor panels, but we can also use this for the mobile also. I ordered this one from Flipkart. If you are really interested to buy, feel free to check the links which are in the description box. It comes like a roll as you can see here. You can store this one and use it for the future also. Now I am rolling this one into the opposite side 2 or 3 times. Because this one is rolled and when you are working like taking the measurements or cutting the sheet, it creates a disturbance. It is also one of the tips. Now I am going to applying this skin to my Oneplus mobile and Samsung Note 10 Lite. No matter which mobile you are having, the procedure is the same. Take a look at the OnePlus 7 mobile. On the back, if you observe closely, the glass is cracked. That's the beauty of applying skins to the mobile. It hides all the cracks and scratches. I'm placing a bubble wrap below the mobile which comes along with the package. Actually, why I am using this one is for grip and to do not move the mobile from the place. So it is also a tip for you. Now I am measuring the skin how much it required for my mobile based on the size. Here every mobile is at different sizes, so take care while cutting it. A small variation in the length results in the wastage of the skin, so take care while cutting and measuring. Also, I am applying to only back itself. I am not applying to the entire mobile which covers all the sides. This one also you should mind before cutting. Using a card, first swipe the skin all over it so that it won't get rolled again. After that, clean the back surface of the mobile with a clean cloth to remove dust or any small particles. When it comes to the applying the skin, just peel off one side and align the things properly. Slowly remove the back protected paper of the skin and with the help of a cord, swipe simultaneously to stick perfectly. Don't be in a hurry while applying this. Also, make your mobile into silent mode so that no more distractions while applying. If you are having a hair dryer, it is good so that the gum stick much stronger. If you don't have any dryer, no problem, just with little pressure, press along the sides and edges. Also, if you are applying for the entire mobile which covers sides too, use dryer compulsory to stick along the edges. Now use a sharp knife or blade to cut along the edges properly. In my case, I am using a blade. Also take care while using sharp objects. Don't be in a hurry to cut. Take your own time, then only you can get good results. Also one tip is cut along the back panel edges and don't think that if I cut along the back panel the gum will go off and the panel comes out. We are just taking like a reference to cut, we are not forcibly cutting it. Also if you are applying for the entire mobile, it takes more time because of the buttons, mic, charging port, headphone jack, etc. Also cut along the camera section too. Due to the raised camera in OnePlus, it makes me easier to cut. After all completion of this, now use a dryer to get better stickiness. If you don't have any dryer, just with little pressure, press along all the sides so that it will stick well. Also keep your mobile in a tight back cover for overnight or 24 hours to get stick even more good. Now you are done. This is how the mobile looks like before and after. Also, I am applying for my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite mobile too. Following the same steps I told previously. Now I am done with applying a skin to my two mobiles. This is how you can apply for your mobile too. No need to step outside and go to the shop and to do this. It protects your mobile from scratching and also some minimal drops. Also it improves the performance and battery life of your mobile as you are not using any back cover to it. That's all for this video. Hope you like this and share it with your friends too. Also keep supporting this channel by hitting the subscribe button. As usual, my name is Rajashekar, you're watching Tech Bunny, and I'm signing off now.